Wanted to join class from next class. I don't know how she will understand. Okay, integrals of some particular functions. So already we saw integration of some particular function. So already we saw that under root of 1 minus x squared dx. We saw this integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x squared is sine inverse x. And this is integration of 1 by under root of. This is, you can write minus instead of writing minus cos inverse x.
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x is cos inverse x. So we can write minus cos inverse x, and then here, yeah, this is 1, and then another one is, okay, x root under root of x square minus 1. This is what you know. You can say secant inverse x.
Yes, sir. Or minus cosecant inverse x plus c.
So third one is integration of 1 by
1
plus x square dx is tan inverse
x plus c.
Or minus cot inverse.
Minus cot inverse x plus c.
But what about this? Here integration of dx by x square minus a square. Square root is not there. And then we have dx by a square minus x square and a square plus x square minus a square minus x square plus x square. So we have all these combinations. So all those are like formulae. We should remember by using, if you know the derivation, it's easy actually. So first I would like to write this one. 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx is what?
Sine inverse x plus c.
Very good. Sine inverse x plus c. Or you can write.
Or minus cos inverse x plus c.
Minus cos inverse x plus c. You can write this. So now what do we do is, along with this, we'll also learn a square minus x square. We'll learn this.
Yes, sir.
You can do it in two ways. One is let substitution method. X equal to a sine or a cos, whatever. A sine x, a sine theta I'm taking. So then sine theta is what? Equal to x by a. Okay, so then dx becomes what? A into cos theta into d theta. X is,
yes, sir.
Dx is a into sine theta cos theta d theta. So now I'll substitute. Now this is dx is a cos theta d theta by under root of a square minus x square is a square sine square. A cos theta d theta by, if you take a square, this is 1 minus sine square. Correct. Cos theta by cos theta.
Yes, sir. 1 d theta.
So which is theta plus c. Theta is what?
Yes, sir.
Theta is what? Sine inverse x. Right? Theta is what? Theta.
Yes, sir.
Theta is sine inverse x by, you have to substitute. No? Answer is this one. See, very simple here. If you have here 1 square minus x square or 1 you have. 1 minus x or 1 square minus x square sine inverse x by 1. Okay, here x square by a square, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I'll do another way. I can tell you is that, I can tell you another way is what, I'll take simply a square common out. Dx by, I'll take a square common out. This becomes a into under root of 1 minus x square by a square, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 by a keep aside, 1 by dx by under root of 1 minus x by a whole square. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
this
sir.
dx by under root of 1 minus x square is sine inverse x. But in the place
By
of
A.
by a is there.
Yes, sir.
By x coefficient, you have to divide with x coefficient, that is 1 by a. Let's see. Yes, sir. We have to divide with x square, x coefficient.
Yes, sir.
You know, for example, you have sine ax, yeah. If you have ax here, okay, if you have 1 by under root of 1 minus ax whole square, this what you get is sine inverse of ax by a.
Mine was X was. Yes, sir.
So that's how you get sine inverse x by a. Simply you can remember like this. You can remember this way is easy to remember. This one you remember. Sine inverse of x by 1, sine inverse of x by a.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hope you got it. Or you can write even minus cos inverse x by a. So
Yes, sir.
third one we'll go to integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is what?
Tan inverse X plus A or minus cot inverse X plus A.
Okay,
So
now
easy.
for this one 1 by a square plus x square. So I'll do all this one also we'll do in simple way. What is that? We'll take a square form. 1 by 1 plus x by a whole square. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
What is this 1 by a square into a wala tan inverse x?
X
The place of x
by A
by
by 1 by A plus C.
so a 1 by a gets cancelled. 1 by a 1 by a gets cancelled. Now what you have this is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Why? Because you don't have a square root is not there. So a square when it comes out 1 by a will be there. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Remember, square root is there,
Yes, sir.
it won't be there. Square root is not there here. Therefore, 1 by under root of a square plus x. Or you can say 1 by a into minus 1 by a. This is cot inverse
Yes, sir. Minus cot inverse X by A plus C.
by a. Minus cot inverse x by a by a. Yes. Okay, you got it? Two forms.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Then we'll go to 5. What is that? Integration of, this one we don't have, a square minus x square dx. Anyway, this is not there.
Okay, sir.
A square plus x square is there. A square minus x square is not there, right? This one, what we should do, we have to derive the formula for this.
Yes, sir.
You can do two ways. One is substitution method, another is factorization method. I will go with factorization first. 1 by what you should do is a minus x into a plus x we should write. Okay, like sine what we did x minus a minus x minus b we wrote, right?
Yes, sir.
Here also what you should do, x minus a, right? Here a minus x is there, yeah, we'll do that.
Amen. Yes, sir.
A minus x plus a plus x, so that always variable should get cancelled, Variable should.
Yes, sir.
Now what is their numerator, I multiplied with 2a, so divide by 2a. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you do this derivation, you can always remember that 1 by 2a will be in a formula. In the formula, you're going to get 1 by 2a. That's what you realize. So if I write now this one, no, this by whole thing is 1 by a plus x. Plus next one, this by whole thing is 1 by a minus x. Son, 2 dx.
Yes, sir.
So what you get is 1 by 2a times, what you get is log mod a plus x. See,
Plus log mod a minus
mod
x.
a minus x. That's it or anything else?
Plus c.
No, x coefficient is -1. Here x coefficient is +1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry.
So you have to divide it
By
minus
-1.
plus c. Okay, this whole thing. Okay, but what you can write, 2a
1 by 2 into log
log mod a plus x by
minus log a minus x.
minus log mod a minus x. That is what?
By, yes, sir.
This is what is the formula for this. 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. If you do this derivation for 2 times, then you can remember 2, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times you do, then you can remember 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x.
Yes, sir.
Sixth, what same thing, the same thing. What would you do is like this 1 by x square minus a square, actually same. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Because we write it. Yes, sir.
But what you can do, you can derive the formula again, or you can derive the formula like no, here you write no. So here x minus a into x plus
Into x plus a.
You write here x minus a, then you get here minus x minus a. You should write like this. Why?
Yes, sir.
Should get cancelled, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll write x plus a minus c.
So, but
Yeah, you can write whatever. Yes or no? X gets cancelled.
yes, sir.
There is 2a. Okay. 1 by
Yes, sir.
So here, what is this? What is that you get is 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 by 2a into this is what log mod x minus a. This is minus log mod x plus a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
By 2a times.
So it's 1 by x minus a by -1, no? Log mod x minus a by -1.
Why re x minus 1 is first, no? X coefficient is 1 only. No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same thing. 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you have x minus, then you get x minus. Here a minus x, then you get a plus x by a minus x. But you know what? But this and this are same only. Minus you take common. Okay, if you take minus common, what will happen? Minus of integration of 1 by a square minus x square. Both are same only. Now you can remember one formula. Yes or no? Now it's same, na? Minus 1 by
Yes, sir.
log mod minus is log mod a plus x by a
A
minus.
plus x by -x.
So what you get here? Minus if you take that side, 1 by 2a log mod reverse, na? This and this both are
Yes, sir.
minus x are a. X minus a is same. Why? Because mod is there, na?
What is there? Yes, sir.
So a minus x or a plus x is same. So finally, fifth one, would like to write like this. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx will be 1 by 2a times log mod a plus x by a minus x dx. Okay, plus c. Sixth, of course, if you actually, this is not very good to write, but anyway, we are log mod. Here x is there, x minus a by x plus. You can remember anyone. I think you can remember
Yes, sir.
by x square minus.
So if you remember it's not hard to remember the other.
Yes, yes. Okay, then we'll go to next. Integration of 1 by, you see this one, a square minus x square you have. A square minus 1 minus x square, a square minus x square we have. Now x square minus a square dx. Understood? What we had is on the top a square minus x square. Okay, 1 minus x square and then a square minus x square. A square minus x square, 1 minus x square. Okay, now this is x square minus a square.
Yes, sir.
What we should do? We have to substitute. What we have to substitute? X equal to, let x equal to a secant theta.
The A.
Dx equal to a
X is equal to
theta
A.
का secant theta.
Cot. So tan theta.
Okay, into secant theta, tan theta, and d theta. Chalo, we'll write this one as a square secant square theta minus
Mhm.
this becomes what? A secant theta and theta d theta. This becomes what? 1 by, now take a square, you can take comes out a under root of secant square minus 1 is tan theta
Tan theta.
into a wala a secant
Secant
tan
tan theta. Tan gets cancelled.
yeah, tan can secant theta d theta. What is the integration of secant theta?
Sir, I forgot.
Integration of tan theta is what?
Secant square theta.
No,
No,
integration
no.
log mod secant theta. For secant
Yes, sir.
log mod secant theta plus tan. Log mod secant theta plus tan theta. Understand? Log mod. What is secant theta? You know, x by a. What is tan theta? When secant theta is x by a, what is tan theta? Tan theta is root of secant square theta minus 1. X square by a square minus. That is what you get. Finally, I'll write like this. First you got x by a plus 1 by a under root of
X square minus A square.
got right x square minus a square. Let's see you got what happens, you know, here log of here x plus under root of x square minus a square by a, you know, by a minus log. Understand?
Yes, sir. Log mod A plus C.
Yes, you mod it. Yeah. So this is also constant. Whole thing goes to constant. You know, whole thing becomes constant. X square minus a square. That's all.
Sir, I didn't. Okay, yeah. Log A is also constant. Yes, sir.
Constant is constant. Another constant. That is what C1 or something whatever. So
Yes, sir.
1 by under root of x square minus a square is this. Okay, 7 if you write. I'll write another one. 1 by under root of x square minus 1 dx. Okay, this is what, you know, log mod 1 plus under root of x square minus 1. Now we have to derive this one. What is that? Under root of 1 by under root of x square plus 1 or x square plus a square dx. So you have to derive this one. What do you have to put for this? Can you tell me what is substitution?
X is equal to
What do you have to substitute so that you will get formula?
X is equal to tan theta. A tan theta. Yes, sir.
Or a cot theta, I can say.
So yeah, yes, sir. So cot theta, we won't have to take minus anything, no, just cot theta.
Cot theta, if you want, you can take cot theta also. X equal to
Yes, sir.
You can do this one.
Yes, sir.
So what you get? You know log mod x plus under root of x square plus a square. See, above and below, same formula. X square minus a square log mod x plus under root of x square minus a square. You get x square minus a square, x square minus x square plus x square. Both are same. You can remember easily.
Yes, sir. So can you go back to the previous slide once I was writing the, yes, 1 second. Yes, sir, done.
So anyway, we have done this one. We have done this one here under root of x square minus a square. Sorry. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2 a log mod x minus a by x plus a. That is the reason when you have x square minus a square, x square minus a square, x minus a by x plus a. But if you take minus common, then 1 by 2 a log mod a plus x by x, a minus x. Minus is down. This is what we did, no? Integration of dx by x square plus a square 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This one we did. X square minus a square. A square minus x square is sine inverse. But here x square minus a square is log mod x plus root square minus a square. Or you can say, this one we did no first dx by under root of a square minus a square is sine inverse x by x square plus a square under root x square plus a square is log mod x plus under root x square plus a square. We did all these things.
Yes, sir. So we have to learn all these formulae, no?
Next, to find the integral of dx by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, what is the working rule for this? How do you fix it? Yeah, question number 8. Can you do it? Find the following
But I
integral.
can wait, I'll have to refer to the formulae. So
X square minus 4 square. Yes. So what happened in the school? They did not start this or what?
I didn't go to school today because